Hi everyone!
Hey!
Hey! So we are now in Chiang Rai, which is our last stop in Thailand before we go on to our next destination. We arrived the other day. We took it first a little bit slow. So this is our stay in Chiang Rai. We're super excited. There are many cats around. It's called the Sleepy House, and as you can see they have a team with cats, and the style is, I think, Japanese from what I can tell. So like a nice basket with a welcome note. Check the layers. Some funny pillows and some funny quotes about cats. A little seating area. Some amenities. And then this is the bathroom. Really beautiful, quite spacious. With a sliding door by Moritz. So the full-on room. Yeah, so it's a mattress directly on a kind of a floor. So let's see how that goes. And Moritz just found something when you close the door for the bathroom. Arrived the other day, and at the moment we are at the Wat Huay Pla Kang, this big white kind of Buddha statue on top of a hill.
So we went up to the Buddha, and at the sides you have like really big dragons with blue eyes, and it's like totally in white, super pretty. Quite some stairs to go up there.
It's a nice pretty sight to see. At the moment we're a bit distracted, sorry guys, because there are like these kids on carton boards coming down from the hill where the Buddha is on top of the hill. So it's quite a sight to see. They're having fun.
So we came here by a scooter. We decided to rent a scooter for the day for about 200 baht and just explore a little bit on our own, because we weren't feeling like doing a tour. Also the tours we saw here were not that exciting for us. So we thought of just like walking or like driving around in our own pace. So the first stop we made was actually at the White Temple, the most famous one of Chiang Rai, of course. Super beautiful architecture-wise and everything, but very touristy, so a lot of people.
We wanted to go early. We came slightly too late, I guess, because soon the crowds were just storming in, and it's really hard then to take any pictures or videos. So, but the temple itself is impressive. You've probably seen a picture of it, like with these hand sculptures or skeletons coming out of the... It is super photogenic. Everybody's taking videos, pictures, everything. It's like a whole site, just like you could take videos on end there.
seriously. So
Yeah, we spent actually quite some
we did
time
spend
there,
some time there.
admiring.
There's also like smaller things around it which aren't as impressive. We also like a golden temple,
Yeah,
which they're still working on.
Yeah, it looks like a work in process, so maybe in a few years, next to the famous blue temple, white temple, there'll probably be like the golden temple.
Most likely. So after that, we hopped on the scooter and we actually went to the
Singa Park from the beer.
So we actually went to the Singa Park after the temple, just to like drive around a little bit, see what it's all about. But we couldn't see much. It's like a few lakes. You have
There's
a few.
not much to see actually.
So we were just driving around a little bit. There's a tea plantation. A tea plantation is there.
Yeah.
Like a tea factory, flower field. But well, we were not as impressed, so we went further.
Yeah, and then we went to this remote little temple on a hill. Oh, I don't know if we would recommend going there. If it's on the way, you can stop by.
It was cool to see because there were no tourists, only locals there.
Super serene though. It has funky colors a little bit. It's more like rainbow colored, I would call it.
It's quite kitschy, I thought.
Yeah. But yeah, we sat there a bit, enjoyed the scenery because there was nobody there. And then after that, we came here. We had a little bit of a drink along the way, so really calm day.
We were waiting a little bit for the sun to like be perfect.
So quickly about yesterday, we took actually a really slow day. Yesterday, some organization planning for upcoming trips for which we are excited about. And then later in the day, we just took a Grab and we went to explore the Blue Temple, which is not so far from the city center.
Indeed. Actually, it's always a good idea to just take a Grab in Thailand. We found that actually tuk-tuks are way overpriced at tourist attractions, and even outside of that, most of the time a Grab is quicker and much cheaper to take.
And less hassle, of course. You don't have to bargain.
I just pay with credit card as well, so you don't even have to do anything. You just click on it. It's gonna go all off your bank account.
And you get some
super useful
discounts and rewards sometimes.
Once in a while you get like a discount or like a coupon, especially if it was late ones, like 5 or 10 minutes, I think. So super nice.
Yeah, and the Blue Temple itself, it's quite impressive actually. It's quite artistic. Everything is in blue with golden and yellow details. Mostly what I was most impressed about was the inside of the temple with the white Buddha statue and then all the drawings and paintings. With the lighting, it was just really beautiful. Yeah,
I have to say also for me, I mean, I love the color blue, and it was really like a nice color of blue. And everything was really rich and deep and really photogenic. It's just that everything is so well capturable, like you can really get some nice shots in, and it just looks very beautiful from different angles.
And also we had a little treat, because when you're at the Blue Temple you can have blue ice.
Yeah, it's not really blue ice, I have to say. It was like coconut ice cream, which I love. with a little bit of blue sticky rice in between.
Yeah.
Because the ice cream was actually white.
Yeah, they only put like this blue liquid on
Yeah.
top. So
It was
yeah.
super yummy.
Yeah, indeed. Yeah, he ran away with it. I didn't get that much. We wrapped up our trip to Chiang Rai with a Thai cooking class. Our hostess, Suani, took us first to a local market to pick some fresh ingredients. We roamed around the stalls and she was teaching us more about typical Thai ingredients and herbs, even letting us taste some things along the way. She did a great job answering questions and explaining all of the ingredients to us, as well as the health benefits of different fruits and vegetables, so it was very interesting.
The pure sticky rice in here with some kidney bean, sugar and salt, coconut cream. They soak it for about 4 hours and then they make a big fire. They roast it or barbecue it. Okay, so how to eat? You gently peel it. You try to keep all those bamboo paper. You remove.
After the market, it was time for the cooking class itself, which takes place at Suani's home outside the city. As we took the morning lunch session, we were the only ones that day, so we basically got a private cooking class, which was super fun. The setup and all the needed ingredients for cooking were beautifully prepared for us to start the class, and Suani took us through every step, guiding us through the whole process and dishes so we could also create them back at home. Just put all these little things, ingredients together in one of these leaves, and then we had to eat it. It was really an explosion of flavors. Powder? Serious powder. I feel like quite special. cooked authentic Thai dishes such as the popular papaya salad, tom yum soup, chicken green curry, and a delicious banana dessert. The food was absolutely delicious and we loved learning how to make curry from scratch. Her beautiful home was incredibly welcome, and this ended up being one of our highlights of our Thai adventure. And this rounds up our travels to Northern Thailand. Thank you so much for watching, and make sure to tune in next time where we will take you along on a river cruise on the Mekong to Laos.